Alright, so I'm going to show you a little old school way of checking whether you have a coil that's going bad or you have some sort of problem with your coil pack. So let's look. This is a little old school, so it's not for everybody. Alright, let's go ahead. So clearly you can see that I've got a leak in the boot right there. And it should be going to the spark plug, but it's going to my knuckle instead. So anyway, it's a little bit old school, so if you don't have all the fancy snap-on diagnostic tools, you can always just take your finger and just stick it up there and see if you got a leak or not. That's it.